Transfer foils, are they not so beautiful to create easy and fun nail art? But chances are, if you're watching this video, not only are you super curious about how to do a foil transfer, but also how to get it to stay without lifting. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 2 ways to master your transfer foils step by step. Hey there, I am Paula Ponce. I created this channel to fast forward the next generation of nail techs. Years ago, perhaps just like you, I started doing nails from home with non-paying clients. Soon after taking a full leap of faith, I rented a small little corner in a salon. A couple years later, and after my fair share of sweat, pain, and tears, I achieved booked solid success and a near 6-figure income. But after maxing out my own growth in the chair, I decided to quit and make my success no mystery. Here we talk gel nails and entrepreneurship, and together we explore the freedom of being your own nail boss. I'll help you find your niche in nails and expand your opportunities beyond the nail table. So if you're new here and are oh so intrigued, ready to grow and take your next big leap of faith, welcome, and please consider subscribing. Now back to today's topic. First things first, when doing transfer foil art, you must have the right products. Thankfully, now you don't have to search too long to find the right type of adhesive for transfer foils. 2 of my favorite Japanese gel nail companies have started carrying excellent quality foil transfer gel. Kokoist offers theirs in a pod, and Leafgel offers theirs in a bottle via their sister brand, Leafgel. And I'll link you in the description box below if you're interested in buying these. So the cat is out of the bag. The new way to achieve a successful foil transfer is by using foil transfer gel. I believe you can use this foil gel sandwiched in between regular polish also, as long as you cure it, obviously. But for this video, we'll be using it with nail gel. Oh, and by a successful transfer, we mean one that is more solid without too much crackle, and most importantly, one that does not wear off at the free edge. Foil gel is going to give you that successful transfer by attracting the foil via a very sticky layer, almost like a double-sided sticky tape. Foil gel is very forgiving, and even if you don't like your first transfer, you can actually just scrub it off and start over without having to reapply it. Here's the step-by-step for a partial foil transfer. This type of transfer is especially good for the new trend of 3D jewelry on the nails. Step 1, apply your foundation gels in desired color. Then top coat with a non-white matte top gel. Why a non-white matte top gel? Because it is going to ensure that your foil does not transfer onto areas that you don't want it to transfer to. However, if you do need to clean any unintended areas, just grab your towelette and alcohol cleanser and scrub away. And the surface also needs to be matte so that the next gel, the foil gel, adheres to it, because gel likes to adhere on matte surfaces rather than shiny surfaces. So either Kokoist or Leafgel carry excellent non-white matte top gel. Step 2, design the area you wish. I'm going to be using Vetro's Extension Clear Builder because I find it to be the firmest in my Japanese collection of builders. And remember, in this design, I'm going for that raised 3D look. Fully cure your design. Step 3, using your foil gel, overlay your design or whatever you will want your foil to adhere to for partial transfers or jewelry designs. I do prefer Kokoist's potted gel version. It is just easier to dig into. Fully cure this layer. Step 4, cut out approximately the amount of foil you will be using. Try not handling it too much with your fingertips, as you will leave oils or moisture from your fingertips on the foil. This can mess up the success of your foil transfer. Step 5, with one firm press, place your foil onto the desired area. Do not continuously press it on the same area or you will cause it to crackle, unless that is the look you are going for. Once you are happy with your transfer, flash cure it. Step 6, finish the design with a thick viscosity top coat or seal your design using a thin coat of base and then a non-white top gel. A slightly thicker seal will ensure your foil does not become exposed should your thin top coat wear down. Then cure it. Now time for a full foil transfer. Step 1, apply your foundation gels, base, builder, or both. Step 2, apply a color that complements the foil you choose should you have any stubborn areas that do not transfer. One coat is fine, cure that layer. Step 3, apply a generous layer of foil gel on the entire nail surface and avoid capping the free edge. The reason why you want to skip capping the free edge is because for some odd reason, although foil gel does really good at attaching foil and it is gel, it doesn't do so well at bonding with other gels. Again, I'm not too sure why, but I can only imagine that it is like putting a layer of gel on a double-sided sticky tape. That sticky tape almost has a rubbery, oily silicone type of feel. And if you own a silicone practice hand, you know very well that very few things adhere to silicone. Fully cure this layer of foil gel. Step 4, with one firm press, attach your foil and rub the rest until it attaches. Continuously keep rubbing until the foil becomes unloose. You can do this with a little silicone tool, or you can also use just some dry towelettes. If you do not like your transfer, simply scrub your foil off with a towelette and alcohol cleanser. Let that alcohol evaporate and simply press on your foil again. Most transfer foils will allow you to reapply your transfer without applying more gel. But if your foil gel does not do that, no worries, simply reapply a thin layer or slightly buff the old layer off and reapply. Step 5, apply bonder at the tip and flash cure. This bonder at the tip is going to ensure that your gel layers adhere together and also that hopefully your foil stays down. Step 6, this is the time you'll want to try and make sure your next gel layers make contact and cap with your foundation gels. Apply a thick viscosity top gel or a thin layer of base gel followed by a non-wipe top gel. Fully cure your design and you're done. I hope after these 2 step-by-steps, you feel like a total foil transfer master. Don't forget to check out the description box below for any free classes and our current product promo codes. If you have a friend that would greatly benefit from this video, please do share. And for sticking to the end, I'll let you know that I created a foil gel and foils giveaway. The full details on how to enter are found below in the giveaway link. Good luck, and I'll see you next week. Bye for now.